Do-It-Yourself Dell here again today, and we're going to talk about times when you're doing your projects and so forth, your home projects, that sometimes you need a little bit of a break, and you don't really have the time to sit down and do a regular dinner or lunch type of thing, and maybe sometimes you might need some sort of snack like this, which has a lot of protein in it to give you some energy. This particular one, for my taste, it has a little bit too much saturated fat and cholesterol, but that's neither here nor there. A lot of items have that in them these days, and it has zero trans fat on the positive side. It's gluten free on the positive side. So I don't know. I'm leaning towards sort of calling it health food, but the point is, it can serve a function with you if you don't, maybe even you don't even have a chance to clean your hands. You just wipe your hands off with sanitizer or something, and then rip this open and step back from your job for a few moments, and then you can see how you're doing and continue. It's just it's an option people didn't have in the distant past. But now you can utilize your time more efficient. So I'll just take a little bite of this and see how it is. Not bad. Not bad. And you know, there's other brands and so forth. I always liked Power Bars. A lot of athletes used them, and they don't no longer make them. Not in the original Power Bar. I don't know what happened to them. I used to buy them by the box. So something like this, you know, kind of does this couple hundred calories. Like I said, it has the protein. Get it in probably different. This is peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter, and you can probably get it in different flavors and so forth. And it might stick to your teeth somewhat, but outside of that, it serves a function. And a little gooey too. Also, I don't think it'll, if you're going to eat your dinner later, you know, I don't think this'll affect that. Still be able to eat your dinner and have your appetite and everything. So there are some positive things you can say about these types of items. Like I say, in the past they didn't have them, but this way they're clean in the package, sealed in the package. They're quick and tasty and functional. So do it yourself. Dell offering you another tip about how to handle things. So long for now.